Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I am back today with the second and the last video for the Halloween. That is the fall makeup, and this is like the way I did last year and I'm still trying to figuring out my life the way I was doing it last year. Yeah, some things never change, right? So as you can see, I have my fall pumpkinish nails. I am having my fall pumpkinish shirt. I have my neon pins, not pumpkin ones because I don't have one, and yeah, I mean, I'm all glammed up for the fall. And although I won't really give you much fall vibes because it's still not like the very cold fall season. It still is more on the warmer side. I mean, it is kind of season where you can really switch on like fans and still wear your half-sleeved clothes, and you might not feel that cold. So it isn't fall yet, also because it's only 13th October today and I'm really shooting quite before the actual Halloween. But it still is fall, right? So yeah, I'm doing good. Of course, we are going to do the same orange eyes like we did last year. Some things never change. It's just like a throwback to the old memories. And yeah, let me quickly do my base makeup. And this base makeup will actually be up in the next video. The next video that will come soon. I will let you know when it will come because I am actually planning to take like a little break. I have been shooting non-stop in every holiday because for these Navratri and fall and everything. So yeah, so I'll be taking a little break, and I think that video will be coming up in November for sure, because of course November is my birthday month and there has to be a lot of fireworks in November. And yeah, so let me quickly do the base makeup and I'll be back. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. So I am back with the perfect base after a really long time, and I'm wearing these two lipsticks. This is the Hilary Rhoda matte lipstick in number 19, and this is the NYX Lip Lingerie in I believe the name is Pushup. It is like a perfect combo for the fall. The brownishness to my oranges. So I'm also wearing these because I am going to work with bright colors, oranges, and I don't want to mess my perfect base. And then we have this. These are the palettes I'm going to use today. So basically these are the Huda Beauty mirror copies, not the original Huda Beauties. I'll provide everything in the description box for you to know from where I bought these and how to get these and what is the price and everything. So these are the two palettes. This is the Topaz Obsession and this is the Neon Obsession. So let me show you the interiors. I haven't used them. I have not done any swatches, nothing doing. This is literally the first time. I want to keep surprises to myself. We know we are going totally there with the oranges. So for the Neon Obsessions palette, this is how it looks. It has a very neon acid kind of color. This is like a green, not like a neon green, but a neon color. These are two neon pinks, one neon orange, one sort of like a shimmer on the brown side, this is more like a brown shimmer which has like a green reflex to it. This is like a pink shimmer which has like a silver reflex to it. This is a green shimmer which has like a golden reflex to it. So these are definitely different. This is like on the orangier side, right? And for the Topaz Obsessions, this is like a plain orange palette, full fall vibes with orange, browns, pumpkins, a little bit of shimmers. Okay, I'm actually starting off with this palette and I'm taking this particular color. This is the darker orange, kind of like a pink shift to it. So I'm taking this particular orange. I thought it was not a clear mirror. Okay, this has more of the pink to it, but it is hell pigmented. I am not going with this one, so I'm going to wipe it off. Mayday, let me fix this. Yeah, I am changing gears. I'm taking this particular orange. This is like a true orange. So let me take this. It is hell lot of pigmented, guys. Okay, Taking a cleaner brush, what I'm doing is I am taking this color. This is like on the lighter side. I'm just buffing everything and a little bit of brown also, you know, just to spice it up a little bit. It's pretty, right? I like it. So I'll be taking the concealer and let's cut the crease first and then we'll see what to do ahead. Now I am taking this particular color into the crease. What I'm doing is taking the same transition brush. I'm taking this brown color just a little bit, and you know where these meet, I'm actually going to blend this there because I want to depthen it. First of all, I am taking this particular orange color on the whole entire lid because it is like a very pumpkinish color with the finger. Taking this color along with a little bit of this and I'm blending it together. Taking my Stay Quirky eyeliner, I am going to draw a wing because a wing is a staple, so let's do that. Okay, so we have done the wings. These are like huge wings today. Yeah, we are not done yet. We have to do a lot more stuff right now. So I'm taking a brown color kajal. This one is from Wet n Wild. I'll put it in my lower lash line. Quickly, let's do this, guys. Let's just quickly complete this look. I'll be taking the brown color, a smudger brush. We'll be smudging the lower lash line, all the brown color that we have put. This brown color is hell pigmented, guys. Taking my transition brush and quickly taking this orange color with this orange color and swirling down. Okay, so the bottom lash is complete. Now we just have to give like final touch-ups to it. In this particular color, you know, the one I told you has like a green shift to it. Taking that color into the inner corner. A little bit inside the eye, you know, just to make it look like running cohesively. So I am taking a bronze eyeliner and let me show you guys. This is from Stay Quirky and this is how it is. It is really pretty. I'm just taking this and you know on the peripherals of the wing, I just want to decorate it on the upper something. Let's do something. Let me just figure out what to do. Ooh, wow, this looks really nice. And on the inner corner. Wow, okay, so this is how it is and let it dry quickly. Let me do the mascara and eyelashes and I'll be back. So yes guys, this is the final look. Do you see how the fall has taken? I'm wearing the Kingdom of Lashes in the lash, I believe it was the lash Twinkle, and these are really pretty lashes. You know, at first I thought they were very flimsy and like AO lashes, but these are like nice lashes. So I kind of like them. See, can you see they are quite fluffy? Yeah. So as far as now the videos are concerned, I think I'll be taking a little break for the remaining October because you know it's festive season around. Diwali is coming very shortly, like literally on 27th. Yeah, Diwali is on 27th and of course I will not get time to film, I will not get time to edit anything. So definitely the next video will be coming up after the festive season is over, that is in November. So that is going to be a little break from my side because the girl is really tired now. Yeah, so that's it. And yeah, so I'll meet you in November guys. Happy festivals to you, happy Diwali, happy Bhai Dooj, happy everything to you, and of course happy Halloween to you, and we'll meet in November in the girl's birthday month. Okay, so bye bye.